Okay, so you can start making money at home like right now. um, you can start making $100 per week by the end of this week, and that's a small amount, but it's very attainable. It's reachable. $100 per week. I think we made that in our first day when we had this Glowforge machine. But you can pretty much do this with any craft business. You can have a Cricut. We started with the Cricut. Um, you could have a laser printer, any type of laser printer. I have a Glowforge. This Glowforge machine right here. So you can literally start like immediately. All you have to do is have the right tools, be the right resources, which is not money, but you could use some money. If you have enough money to buy a laser printer, then you have enough money to buy the other things. Now, let's say you don't have enough money to buy a laser printer. Let's say you don't even buy a Cricut. You could start knitting. You could buy some painting, whatever it is. You can start making $100 from home right now. And to be honest, you could probably make $100 per day. There's different things you have to consider when doing this, like how to market. You market on Facebook, you can market on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Snapchat. You advertise on those platforms if you want to. You don't necessarily have to. Now, here's the cool thing. I think with a hobby craft type of business, you can actually do really well locally. And even better yet, when you sell someone something locally, word of mouth is how it could spread very nicely. So don't be scared. Just ask for a referral. Yes, ask for a referral. If you sell something really nice, like I showed wooden ornaments, well, I showed wooden personalized ornaments in another video I did here, not a while ago. But every grandma and every mom wants a wooden personalized ornament for their Christmas tree with their kids' names on it, with their last names on it, with snowmen and Santa Claus and reindeer, whatever it is. Everyone wants that. So if you have, say you sell one to Patty or Sally, whatever her name is, you sell her that, and then you ask her, hey, can you post that on your Facebook page? And then just tag my business group or my business page. And then you're going to get 100 comments on that post. And then they're going to click your link because she tagged you, and then they're going to send you a message. You could even do a discount code or do a giveaway or something. Word of mouth is awesome, locally or online. It's super awesome. We've gotten thousands and thousands of sales by word of mouth alone. So yeah, you can pretty much do any hobby, any craft that you want. You could start today and start making $100 per week, even per day. And you could probably do even more than that.